This report analyzes financial statements of companies from different industries in line with current accounting standards. The analysis focuses on company background, equity, deferred tax, lease, financial assets, and financial liabilities. All the companies offer various products and services across different sectors such as logistics, construction, industrial, and consumer products, showing diversified business activities. As you can see here, all the companies are Sharia compliant, meaning their operation follow Islamic principle and are suitable for Sharia-based investment.
This chart compares return earnings and dividend payment for 2023 and 2024. Yongnam and public package shows a growth in return earnings while Punchat Niaga declined and Muda Jaya remained in a negative position due to accumulated losses. In terms of dividend, Yongal is the only company paying a consistent and high dividend. Public package paid a very small dividend and Fifth Knowledge declared a dividend in 2023 only, while the other companies did not declare any dividend. This chart compares earnings for share for six companies between 2023 and 2024. We can see that Yongnam improved significantly, showing a stronger profitability. In contrast, public package and Fifth Knowledge recorded a decline, meaning a lower return for shareholder. Muda Jaya moved from a loss to a small profit, while Yogandi remained fairly stable. Focusing on Punchat Niaga, the company's EPS turned sharply negative in the current year. This indicates the company recorded a loss and was unable to generate earnings for ordinary shareholder. The negative EPS suggests a weaker operation performance and highlight financial pressure that faced by the company in 2024.
For deferred tax, all companies follow MFRS 112. In general, companies such as Public Package Holdings Berhad and Puncak Niaga Holdings Berhad recognize deferred tax for all temporary difference. However, Mudajaya Group Berhad and Swift Haulage Berhad only recognize deferred tax assets when future taxable profits are probable. At the same time, all companies measure deferred tax using tax rate enacted or substantively enacted. Looking at the statement of financial position, Puncak Niaga Holdings Berhad records the highest deferred tax assets and this increased from 2023 to 2024. In comparison, Swift Haulage Berhad has lower deferred tax assets, although it also showed an increase. Meanwhile, Public Package Holdings Berhad and Teo Kwan Lee Corporation Berhad are the only companies that experienced a decrease in deferred tax assets in 2024. Moving on to deferred tax liabilities, Mudajaya Group Berhad shows the highest increase from 2023 to 2024. On the other hand, Teo Kwan Lee Corporation Berhad is the only company with a decrease in deferred tax liabilities. Based on the statement of profit or loss, Puncak Niaga Holdings Berhad and Tiong Nam Logistics Holdings increased their deferred tax expense in 2024. In contrast, Swiss Haulage Berhad and Mudajaya Group Berhad record a decrease in deferred tax expense. At the same time, Public Package Holdings Berhad and Teo Kwan Lee Corporation Berhad changed from deferred tax income in 2023 to deferred tax expense in 2034.
Next is list under MFRS 16. From the analysis of ROU assets shows that most companies exhibit a decrease in the ROU assets percentage from 2023 to 2024. The reason for this is that firms are generally opting for buying lease assets or choosing a short-term lease, which reduce the value of the assets on the balance sheets. Within this context, Swiss Haulage recorded the highest rate, which nearly 20% of their total assets are ROU. Looking at liabilities, Tiong Kwan Lee has the highest lease liabilities, exceeding 30% of their total liabilities. This reflects the significant long-term debt for their leased retail properties. Depreciation sides. The majority of companies reported a decrease in the lease depreciations in 2024, indicating a lower overall carrying value of ROU assets. Conversely, Tiong-Nam Logistics was the only one with a significant increase, rising by 6.5%, suggesting a new ROU assets recognition which aligns with its highest lease liabilities. Moving to expenses, most companies experience a decrease in interest expenses, implying a reduction in the outstanding lease liabilities balance.
Okay, for the financial asset, the accounting treatment is under MFRS 7, 9, and 139. All company initially recognize financial asset at fair value. Subsequently, Public Packaging, Tiong-Nam, and Switch Haulage measure their investment at fair value through comprehensive income or profit or loss. While Muda Jaya, Puncak Niaga, and Teo Guan Lee measure their financial asset mainly at amortized cost, fair value through profit or loss. Financial asset, the graph shows that Public Packaging Holding Berhad records the highest financial asset balance at 135.9 million in 2023 and 174 million in 2024. They show a sharp increase, and this also shows the company less dependent on external borrowing. This graph shows that Mudajaya Berhad recorded the highest finance income in amounting 26 million in 2023 and 49 million in 2024, which means the public holding packages, although have higher financial asset, it doesn't mean the higher financial asset will generate you higher finance income.
Okay, for the financial liabilities, all companies use MFRS 7, MFRS 9, and MFRS 139. For the initial recognition, all company measure at fair value. For subsequent measurement, all company has measured at amortized cost. In 2024, Yongnam Logistics recorded the highest financial position at RM 1.57 billion, up from RM 1.2 billion in 2022. Swift Haulage also saw an increase, while Muda Jaya and Puncak Niaga experienced declines. Public Package had the lowest liabilities, dropping sharply from RM 9.04 million to RM 3.29 million. For finance costs, Puncak Niaga led both years, though slightly lower in 2024. Yongnam showed a significant rise from RM 40.55 million to RM 65.71 million. Meanwhile, Public Package and Teo Guan Lee had the lowest cost, both decreasing year-on-year. Swift Haulage finance costs modestly from RM 34.19 million to RM 36.73 million.
All companies in the notes to the accounts provide important non-financial information on the accounting policies adopted and the management judgment applied in areas such as deferred taxation, lease accounting, and financial instrument. For example, for financial liabilities, most companies provide risk management policies and maturity analysis profiles. This information is crucial as it explains how the companies manage liquidity and interest rate risk rather than just closing the total debt figures. Yes, all company manage to provide information because all company compliant with the requirement of accounting standard. Based on our evaluation, the company's disclosure generally support understanding of different tax, leases, and financial instruments. Notes provide key non-financial information on recognition, measurement, and assumption, enhancing transparency.